How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we are unboxing the Apple AirTag, the brand new Apple AirTags, and this is the 4-pack. It does come as a 1-pack, which will sell for $29.99, or a 4-pack for $99.99. That is US pricing. Canadian pricing for this 4-pack is $129.99. Check the pricing in your country if you're watching from somewhere else. And it does say on the back, AirTag 4-pack. And a couple of other different languages. Of course, it's designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, a couple of different things. We've got the little tab just right here on the bottom. We're just gonna go ahead and just pull that little tab right there. And that should unlock our bottom right here. So let's go ahead and just reach right here and pull out the bottom. And there we go. Okay, so we've got a couple of different pieces of paper and stuff right here. We'll just double check quickly. All right, so just a piece of paper with some information. Don't really care about that. We've got some more paperwork and stuff like that. So if you want to read through, you can. But we're just worried about, we're not really worried. We're just interested to see the AirTags in a 4-pack, and boom, just like that. Look at that presentation right there. So we've got all 4 of them just sitting right there. There you go. You can have them here. Let's go ahead and just grab one right here and get a nice look at it. So this is it in its plastic packaging right here that's wrapped all the way around. Let's go ahead and just kind of take this little tab piece off here. We'll just remove that. And there we go. And this will probably even activate. You can see that this little piece right here, it's going to pull out. It's going to allow the battery on the inside to connect. So it's definitely going to connect. We're just going to take it off just for purposes of seeing. There you go. You can hear that sound that it made. It made a little bit of a sound. The outside right here, this is a very glossy white color right here. You can see it shine in my light right there. And then on the back, we do have your silver, your stainless steel silver color just right on the back right there. So very, very nice. I do really like it. I mean, the one thing that you have to really keep in mind is that this part's going to get all scratched up. You can see how many fingerprints and stuff it is just by just taking right there, but this is probably going to be very easily scratched. So you do want to get the keychain things for them. I've got Belkin ones that I've purchased already, which I'm going to use for my Apple AirTags, but you can get ones from Apple in all different types here. But there we go. That's all the other ones that are in there. We're not going to pull all of them out, but you can see my 4-pack and it has some information on how to set it up. But that is your Apple AirTag unboxing. If this video was helpful, make sure you guys throw it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.